So guys, this is the photo which we're gonna edit for our Instagram profile. That is would be a unique concept, that is of light, kind of glowing light effect. So first of all, let's select the photo with the help of quick selection tool. Just right click on it and select playback copy option. Now we're gonna just crop the image for our Instagram ratio, that is 8:10 ratio. So let's just crop the image. This concept is, guys, really looking kind of fantasy with kind of trending social media addict concept. So you can just keep this kind of photo in your profile and just stand out your Instagram to the next level. So let's create new layer below the subject layer and just fill it with the black color. Right now just go to the top of all the layers. Go to the color lookup from the adjustment layer. Now here you have to select the Shortstash inspired AVC 2020 LUTs. This you can just download from the links in the description. I'll just put that link in the description, so you can just make this kind of moody dark black effect. So let's just duplicate both the layer. Now let's just merge both the layers, only the subject layer and also the color lookup layer. Now here we will start some kind of editing of that neon lights. So first of all, let's select this light PNG. You can just download, all the links are in the description. So we're gonna just place it on somewhere over here. Now let's just go to the right click on it and select the blending mode, and here we're gonna go to the outer glow and we're gonna just select the color that would be of reddish tone, and we're gonna just increase the opacity, also the size and spread, and we're gonna create a kind of glowing effect to the photo that will make it look more realistic and amazing. Now let's create new layer and just paint it with the red tone and just fill it with the reddish color, and just change the blending mode to screen and just fill the opacity to around 64% so that it may look like really it is glowing. Now let's again create new layer and just pick the same color and just give a one stroke of that color. Change the blending mode, just right click on it and select the create a clipping mask and change the blending mode to overlay. Now go to the transformation, press Ctrl T, and we're gonna just place it on the face of the model so that it may look like original light is actually just flowing on the face of the model. This will create an amazing light effect. Now again, let's just do the same process by Ctrl J and just press keep it somewhere over here, chest region, so that it will look like more realistic. This is the important thing, guys. You have to place this light effect in such a way that it may not look more unrealistic, as well as kind of it may show up some of the facial tone of the model. So in that way you have to create such kind of effect in your face. Now here we're gonna add some particles to the photograph, which will make it look more and more amazing. So let's just go and just change the blending mode to screen, and this will make it look more amazing and kind of fairy tale fantasy look. So we're gonna just adjust this particle, and here we're gonna just erase it, the bigger particles, with the help of eraser. First of all, we will just make the color effect or the color tone, place it on above the adjustment layer, and just make the color that would be of similar to that of like button, that would be a red tone. with the help of hue and saturation by pressing the Ctrl U button. And just hit OK. Now you can see, now select the eraser tool and just erase the bigger particles from the image, because we want only the smaller particles which will make it look more and more amazing. Now this one is looking kind of very cool, and it is giving a photo a perfect fantasy like theme to the photo and making it look more and more realistic and kind of amazing. So finally here we have done our process of editing. Now let's merge all the layers. Right click on it and select merge layers. So you can see the difference, guys. It is really looking very amazing, guys. You can see the difference. Here is the before and here is the after. So guys, I hope you all have enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, then just smash the like button and also subscribe to our channel. And also guys, visit our website, that is www.ashfircreations.com. From there also you can download backgrounds, camera preset, mobile Lightroom preset, PC Lightroom preset, lots and many more cool photo editing as well as video editing stuff for free. Also guys, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, just type Ashfir Creations. So guys, thank you for watching and bye till the next video. Till then guys, be creative and be awesome.